Due to the good quality of the metal and paintwork, corrosion does not appear on the body, and if the car has not been involved in an accident, then the body in most MDX will be in excellent condition. Thanks to the special development of the Acura engineering, body and 10 airbags, which are provided as standard, the MDX was recognized as the safest premium crossover in 2012. The Acura MDX was equipped with two gasoline engines, 3.5 256 horsepower and 3.7 300i width. The main advantage of these engines is the VTEC system, which expanded the region of maximum torque from 2 to 5000 rpm and also reduced the emission of harmful exhaust. Also, MDX boasts low fuel consumption, average is 12-15 liters per 100 km in urban mode. As operating experience has shown, the engines are very reliable, and in order for the engine to work without failures, it is enough to carry out maintenance in time. Oil should be changed at least once every 10-12,000 kilometers. One of the advantages of this car over its competitors is that it works great on 92nd octane gasoline. To avoid serious problems with the entire, it is necessary to adjust the thermal clearances of the cleanse every 100,000 km. At the same run, the gas distribution mechanism drive also requires attention. Timing belt and pulleys need to be replaced. Spark plugs, subject to the use of high-quality fuel, will last up to 50,000 km. Once a year, cleaning of the fuel injectors and throttle assembly is required. Acura MDX was equipped with 5-speed until 2010 and the 6-speed since 2010 hydromechanical automatic transmission. The owners of the car of the first years of production often encounter incorrect operation of the transmission, jerks when shifting. This is due to the failure of the transmission control unit software and the failure of hydraulic compensators. In cars operated in a metropolis, the transmission often overheats. After restyling, the manufacturer replaced the problematic unit with a 6-speed gearbox, which turned out to be more reliable and rarely gives unpleasant surprises to owners. In order to extend the life of the gearbox, it is recommended to change the oil in it at least once every 60,000 kilometers, while it is advisable to use only high-quality lubricants. The car is equipped with a plug-in all-wheel drive. The reliability of the all-wheel drive system does not cause serious complaints, but only in the event that you do not use the car as a full-fledged CUV. The electronic clutch is very afraid of overheating, and if you constantly storm off-road, then expensive transmission repair cannot be avoided. This model has excellent driving characteristics, comfort, smoothness, controllability. This is facilitated by a multi-link suspension, which is installed not only in front but also in the rear. The disadvantages of this combination include only the high cost of repairing the chassis. Traditionally, for modern cars, stabilizers, struts and bushings are considered consumables. Their resource, with careful operation, does not exceed 50,000 kilometers. Ball bearings, front shock absorbers and thrust bearings on average nurse 70,000–90,000 kilometers. The front and rear levers are quite hardy and can last 150–170,000 kilometers. The rear shock absorbers have a stiffness control system and are afraid of speed bumps. If you often run over them without slowing down, you may need to replace the shock absorbers after 30,000 kilometers. The steering mechanism is quite reliable and, as a rule, does not present surprises up to 150,000 kilometers. Tie rods and tips require replacement every 100–120,000 kilometers. The biggest drawback of the brake system is the rapid wear of the discs. They have to be changed almost simultaneously with the pads every 40–50,000 kilometers. Many owners solve the problem by replacing ordinary discs with perforated ones. The manufacturer used high-quality materials for the interior trim of the Acura MDX. As a result, the owners of this model do not know such a thing as crickets in the cabin. Despite the fact that the machine is equipped with a large number of electrical equipment, the owners have no complaints about their reliability. If you are the owner of this car model, please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your review that will help readers of our site when choosing a car.